Hey girls and guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz, if you don't know already. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut. If you've never heard of Cricut, Cricut is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create personalized projects with hundreds of materials. It works with a software called Design Space that works with your machine, and it also comes free with your machine. This is where you can browse through hundreds of fonts and images to find the one that fits you to create your project. And once you've created your design, Design Space will send it to your machine and create your project. It is so cool, you guys. I loved working with the machine. It was such fun. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I decided to use my machine and how I will be using my machine in the future in videos by labeling the spices in my cabinets, as well as creating this really cute pillow, you guys. I love this pillow, y'all. It is my Zodiac sign, and you can create this for anyone in your home, including yourself. And if you want to sell it, if you have a little small business that you want to start or anything like that, you can also use this machine to create products. And I think that is really cool for a small business or someone who loves to create or is a creative like myself, because I love to DIY and create, as you girls and guys know. If you want to see how I got the spices label in my cabinet, as well as how I got this really cute Zodiac pillow, then just continue to keep on watching. So Cricut sent me over these smart vinyl papers for my project today, and they come in an assortment of different finishes and colors. I went ahead and went with the matte black finish for this project, and I did use the removable one. It also comes in a permanent. I love these vinyl papers. They also have glitter finishes as well as glossy finishes. So right now I'm in Design Space, the app made by Cricut, perfect for my Explore 3. I love this Design Space. It gives me so many fonts to choose from, you guys. And I went ahead with this really cool font for these spice jars today. As you can see, they turned out really well. The machine cut super fast. It opens up really nice. I just insert my vinyl paper that I'm going to be using, and the machine just takes it in. And once I insert it in the machine, it feeds into it, and within seconds, you're left with beautiful, beautiful vinyl stickers to go ahead and apply to anything in your home where you want to label and organize. Yes, y'all, so the ease of using this product was so fun. It was so relaxing for me. I just sat there and it was just like easy. The only part about it was trying to make sure that my letters were straight on the jars, but I love it. And it was just, I felt like I had great control with the tool set that they provided. You guys, if you do get this machine and you do want to try this that I'm doing in the video, make sure that you get the tool set because it's an essential to have. Also, I absolutely love the way that this look turned out. And if you have a small business, or if you want to create products or want to start like an online store, this is a really good machine to have in your arsenal, girl, to start you off with your own products. And they're all handmade, and I think that's really dope because people love supporting small businesses nowadays, and they love handmade products. So I love the way that these came out. I absolutely love it. It really do make my kitchen look a little more sleek and much more minimal. It made me have way more space in my cabinet, and I plan on doing this for all of my spices and jars. And I just want to go ahead and do like a updated kitchen makeover for the spring, so y'all stay tuned for that upcoming video on my channel. But yes, this is how they turned out. I absolutely love it. Cricut sent me over these smart iron-on papers. They come in different finishes like glitter, matte, and holographic. They also sent me this mat that is perfect for doing your iron-on and heat pressing projects. They sent me this roll holder that also comes with a cutter, and I absolutely love this. I find this to be an essential for holding my paper when using my Cricut. You guys, this is the paper I decided to go with, is the glitter. I love it. And I also got this pillowcase from Walmart in the craft section. As you can see, I inserted the roll holder into my machine and it glided in so perfectly. And then I just opened up Design Space app and I picked the design that I wanted to be using. And I just went ahead and inserted it into my machine. After I got all of the measurements in Design Space the way I want it. You can change colors in Design Space. They have so many options to choose from. And I just picked something that was personal to me, which is my Zodiac sign. I picked the same color paper so I can get an idea of how it would be looking. Cutting, this is what it looked like. Make sure if you're using words that you flip your words, because I had to recut, but it's okay. I had plenty of paper to cut it, and I didn't waste much. It was just that one little Aries part. So I went ahead and opened up my Cricut Heat app. You want to use this Cricut Heat app when using the Easy Press because it makes it super easy and it has the technology to work with your Easy Press. So I went ahead and followed the instructions on the app as well as on my Easy Press, and it has timers and it tells you what to do. So I went ahead and pressed it down, flipped it over, pressed it again on the back as you can see me doing in the video, and then I let it cool before I peeled it. The pillow turned out, you guys. It is so pretty. No, it is absolutely no glitter fallout. I really have a problem with glitter like fallout being on my couch and stuff, so I was skeptical at first about using it, but it turned out so beautiful, and no, it is no fallout. It's supposed to last up to 50 washes, and I absolutely love it. Okay, y'all, we've made it to the end of this video. Did y'all enjoy watching me create this really cute pillow and label those spices in my cabinet, y'all? When I say I really enjoyed doing it, it was so fun, and I really love this machine. Shout out to Cricut for sponsoring me again on this video. I really do appreciate them. Can y'all believe it, y'all? Your girl got her a sponsor and a good one, because Cricut is a wonderful company, and I can't lie, I've heard of this place before. This is my first time using the machine, but like I said, it worked out so perfectly for me. It looked like I was advanced. It didn't look like I was a newbie at all. It was such a breeze to use, and it was really easy to work with. I highly recommend this machine for a creative person or anyone really who likes to DIY or just want to personalize their home to fit them. Who wouldn't want to do that? Anyway, if you did enjoy any part of this video, make sure you show it by liking, leave a thumbs up, you know. I love to see it. And also make sure you hit that notification bell because I post sporadically, so you never know when it's gonna pop up. And as always, I'll see you girls and guys in my next video. XOXO, deuces.